Unleash the ultimate design-to-development workflow by seamlessly transforming your Figma masterpieces into breathtakingly interactive Webflow websites. The journey begins in Figma, where you'll meticulously craft every pixel of your design. This is where the magic of interactivity is first envisioned. Pay close attention to creating different states for elements, such as how a button appears when hovered over or a form field when it's active. Within Figma's powerful prototyping tools, you can define these user interactions, link frames together to simulate navigation, and experiment with triggers like clicks, hovers, or even time delays. Think of this as choreographing the user's experience before they even touch a line of code. Once your Figma design is finalized and its interactions are mapped out, it's time to bring it into Webflow. Webflow offers a direct integration, allowing you to import your Figma designs directly, preserving your layout and styling. As the design imports, Webflow intelligently translates your Figma layers and elements into editable components within its designer. You'll see your artboards become your website structure, ready for refinement and further enhancement. Now, the true power of synergy emerges in Webflow. You'll take those predefined Figma interactions and elevate them. Use Webflow's intuitive visual designer to add sophisticated animations, dynamic transitions, and complex interelement interactions. This could be anything from elements fading in as you scroll down the page to subtle parallax effects. Further refine your site's behavior by linking elements to different pages, creating smooth page transitions, and fine-tuning how your content is displayed. You can even leverage custom attributes for even more advanced control, all without writing a single line of code. The result: a visually stunning, fully responsive website that mirrors your Figma vision while offering a dynamic and engaging user experience, all crafted with the seamless integration of design and development.